I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and we are the couple from InspiredTaste.net. Today we are making lemon blueberry muffins. This is a spin-off from our popular blueberry muffins recipe, which so many of you have made. So if you've made that recipe, try this one. We add lots of lemon zest and juice to the batter, so we add this bright pop of lemon flavor to the muffins. We love them and hope you do too. Let's go make them. We make lemon sugar for these, so use your fingers and rub about 1 tablespoon of lemon zest into 3/4 of a cup of sugar, which helps the oils from the zest infuse the sugar. Now whisk the lemon sugar with the other dry ingredients. We need 1½ cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I like to mix the wet ingredients in a measuring jug, so we need 1/3 cup of oil, 1 egg, and just enough milk to reach the 1 cup line, about 1/3 cup. Finally, we need some vanilla. I use 1 teaspoon. Gently stir the wet ingredients into the dry. Then for even more lemony flavor, add a splash of fresh lemon juice. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons here. Okay, now it's time for the blueberries. Use fresh or frozen berries. Then scoop the batter into 10 prepared muffin cups. Place a little slice of lemon on top and sprinkle with a bit of extra sugar. We like eating the lemon slice and love how pretty it makes them look. Check the recipe on Inspired Taste for tips on making bigger muffins and mini muffins. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the tops are no longer wet and a toothpick inserted into the middle of a muffin comes out with crumbs, not wet batter. And that's it. Perfect lemon blueberry muffins. Aren't they pretty? Enjoy and see you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.